Kathy, Crafty Chica here. I thought I would bring you along on a journey of painting, embellishing a dress for my friend Marisa Ronstadt. Yes, she's related to that Ronstadt family, Linda Ronstadt. She is her second cousin, I believe. Anyway, she's a dear friend of mine. She's a famous mariachi singer, nationally known, and she's performing at this huge concert here in Phoenix, Arizona, and she asked me to embellish, decorate her dress, and this was such a big task because I was scared. I love to craft, I love to sew, I love to make things, but to do something that would be on stage in front of hundreds and hundreds of people, I definitely had to meditate for a minute, but then I jumped on it and I said yes. So let me walk you through what I did with the dress and let me know what you think. What I decided to do was do a fabric collage technique on her dress all around the bottom. My first inclination was to do the whole dress from bottom to the top, but I'm like, okay, she is the star, her voice should be the star. I didn't want for the dress to be too crazy to overpower anything. But then I'm like, look at Lila Downs, like she has amazing outfits that she wears for her concerts. So you know what, this is a good start. Okay, you guys, here's the dress. She dropped it off and so much delightfulness to work with. I was super excited. Now this fabric is polyester. It's not a natural fabric, so I knew I would have to use a special kind of paint and adhesive for the applique work I was going to do. Yes, I should have sewn on the appliques. I cannot remember my thinking why I decided to glue them. I think there were just so many of them and I was running short on time. But what I wanted to do was first create some big, juicy painted flowers because I wanted all of this bottom area just to pack a punch of color and culture and vibrancy. So in order to get a nice work surface, I used a large embroidery hoop, and then I used some multi-surface craft paint. And this fabric, because it's polyester, it would just soak right up. So I had to lay down a base coat of white. And I decided to do big, juicy flowers all over the bottom and then fill in with the appliques. So here I am using a wide, flat, soft brush. And I added white and then I added some pink to give it some more opaqueness. And then I went in with the darker pink. So I used light and pink together to create the roses. So once I had that base coat down, it was time to add the definition of the flowers. And I love Donna Dewberry. I used her painting technique. Of course, I didn't do it as well as she does it, but this is the technique I was going for to create the look of some juicy roses. What you do is you use a flat brush, a square brush, and you load your brush with half of the dark color, half of the light color, and then you go in and you start doing your petals. And the lighter color is on the top and the darker color is on the bottom, so it just gives it a lot of definition. And I went in and did the same thing for the leaves. So once I got this down, how I did this flower, it was time to crank up production. So this dress was so full, I literally did 3 flowers at a time. Thank God I had embroidery hoops on hand to do this. And I just put on a movie and I watched the movie as I painted all of these flowers. They came out so pretty. I added a little coat of shimmer varnish. Next, it was time for the applique. So I have all of this fabric. I used pinking shears to cut out the individual pieces so that they would not unravel. And I used 2 different types of fabric glue, and it started to come off and I got a little worried. Not all of them did. So what I did was I used a dimensional fabric paint to outline all of the applique pieces, and it worked perfect. It had perfect movement to it. I let it dry, and then I had a big Virgin of Guadalupe sequin applique, and I decided to add that to the back of the dress with some other Sacred Heart appliques, and Marisa loved it. She put it on, wore it at the concert. She got so many compliments, and I'm so glad I pushed myself to do something like this. I'm just so proud of her. She did such a beautiful job singing, and the dress radiated on stage. Of course, I added sparkle flat-back crystals, but you can't really see those in the pictures. She looks amazing. Okay, what did you think of the dress? Do you like it? Isn't she beautiful? Make sure to follow her on Instagram to see all of her upcoming events and music releases and performances. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.